Want to use your Chase debit card with Cash App? It's easy. First, open Cash App and tap the Balance tab. Then select Add Cash and choose Debit Card. Enter your Chase card details, the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing zip code. That's it for the adding step. We will want to verify this so we can do instant transfers next. Cash App will verify your card, often instantly through Plaid. It connects directly to Chase for real-time confirmation. If that doesn't work, they'll send tiny micro deposits to your Chase account. Check your Chase statement in 1 to 3 days, then confirm the amounts in Cash App. Once verified, you can instantly transfer funds from your Chase debit card to your Cash App balance. Initial limits are around $1,000 per day. Remember, while transfers are usually free, instant transfers may have a small fee, around 1.75% for amounts over $1,000. Also, enable two-factor authentication for extra security.